Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Unicorn Beetle Pro case series lineup for the iPad 8th Gen. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I drop new content on my channel. Of course, as it states on the back, you get that standard protection that the Unicorn Beetle Pro case offers, as you can see there. All right. And the particular color for this one is metallic red. Let's get this open. Okay. And let's see, where's that corner? Let's do this corner here. Just pop this off. Just like that. And peel this off. All right, take this out of here. As you can see, it does come with the kickstand as well. All right, so let's peel this off as well. All right, you're gonna place this on here first. Just like that on each corner. Make sure it snaps in there. All right. Then you're gonna drop it in this here, inside of here, just like this. Those in there, those corners in there, just like that. All right, get this last corner in there. There we go. All right, nice, solid protection here. Of course, you got your buttons there. Top cutout, camera cutout, and charge port. Speaker cutouts. Okay. And your back camera cutout as well. All right. And of course, access to the home button. Again, what I like about this case, you get the dual protection, so your screen is protected, and of course, the entire iPad is protected as well. Nice and solid. Of course, you got your kickstand here. Pretty nice addition to this case. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the other color that we have. All right, next color we have is violet. So let's go ahead and get this one open. Okay, so slide all of this out of there. Pass all of this. All right, and then peel this back. Take this out. Take that out. And peel this film off on the back. And as well on the front. There we go. Again, very nice addition to have the screen protector and the actual case protection as well. So all around full protection. All right, so let's go ahead and drop this in here real quick. Again, make sure all the corners are in there, just like so. Snap them in there. And it should be in there nice and snug. Of course, you just drop it inside of the case itself. Again, you have your cutouts and charge port cutout, and you have your buttons. Okay, top cutout. All right, so this is the all right, camera cutout in the back, and your front camera cutout there. Of course, you have your bottom cutouts. Okay. All right. And of course, your home button and your volume buttons, your power button, and top cutouts. Let's see, get a better focus there. There you go. Top cutout. All right. So all in all, very nice. And of course, again, you have the kickstand. All right. Very cool addition for the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPad 8th Gen. And this completes my review, Unicorn Beetle Pro case series for the iPad 8th Gen. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.